Hello student, today I am going to teach you class 9 chapter 5 and our topic is natural vegetation and wildlife. First of all, we should know what is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means it directly refers to plants community. This is your key word. Okay. Natural vegetation directly refers to plants community. It is called natural because it grows naturally without any help of human beings. Okay. Now, what is wildlife? We all know that wild animals are here in our forest also. Now, what is wildlife? Undomesticated animal species are wildlife. They live in forest and they grow in wild area. That's why it is called wildlife. Okay? Now, India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity country in the world. Now here comes a word mega. What does it mean? It means a broad biodiversity country. Okay, now here in India we are having 47,000 plant species and 15,000 flowering plants and 90,000 species of animals and rich varieties of fishes in our marine and freshwater. Now we will proceed to our next topic, and that is virgin vegetation. Virgin vegetation is also refers to plants community, but not all plants communities are a virgin vegetation. Virgin vegetation is which is left undisturbed by human for a long time of period and not yet introduced us, that is only grow in our forest wildlife. Now what is endemic or indigenous species? The endemic or indigenous species is a virgin vegetation. It is purely Indian. Now, exotic species. It is come from outside India. This is not Indian. Now, what is flora and fauna? You have already read in your junior classes. Flora means directly refers to plants community of a specific area, right? Now, what is fauna? Fauna is a species of animals. Now we will see some factors of flora and fauna. The diversity in flora and fauna is due to some factors, and they are relief and climate. Now I will explain you one by one. Okay, now relief. Land and soil comes under the relief. In land, mountain, plateaus, plain areas are there. And in soil, it varies different areas. Okay, like different areas means different soils. Now in sandy soil, cactus and thorny bushes are there. It supports cactus and thorny bushes. And in deltaic soil, it supports mangroves. Next is climate. In climate, it enhances our natural vegetation and wildlife also. And the elements of the climate is temperature, photoperiod, and we can say sunlight also, and precipitation. Now these three I will explain you one by one. Number one is temperature. Along with the humidity in the air, precipitation and soil influence the natural vegetation and wildlife also of a specific area. Okay, now photoperiod. This is also called sunlight. The variation in the amount of sunlight at the different places or a different area depends on altitude, latitude, sunlight and duration of the day. Okay, now precipitation. Precipitation is directly influenced and directly indicate to the rainfall because in the daytime ocean evaporate and after that precipitate, and after that directly rainfall occurs. Now we will see importance of forest. It modify local climate, control soil erosion because the tree holds and catch the soil very tightly. That's why it controls the soil erosion, regulates stream flow, support a variety of industries like wood, rubber, provide our livelihood. Now we will continue our chapter in next video session. Okay, thank you and take care.